India has done it. It has now become the fourth country to land a shuttle on the moon, after the US, China, and the former Soviet Union. This is a potential game-changer. NASA has hit pause, realizing that ice on the moon is worth multiple times the value of gold, pound for pound. This discovery could significantly impact the way we view space exploration, living off the land by utilizing the moon's ice. What could India's Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission have uncovered that even left Michio Kaku, one of the most optimistic voices in theoretical physics, visibly unsettled? A spacecraft's journey to the moon and a discovery so stunning that it sent shockwaves through the scientific community. What did they find, and why does it challenge everything we thought we knew? Launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO), Chandrayaan-3 marks a significant milestone in space exploration, solidifying India's place among global leaders in the field. The mission succeeded where Chandrayaan-2 faltered in 2019, achieving a historic soft landing on the moon's south pole, a region largely unexplored by other nations. This area is considered crucial for understanding the moon's resources and its potential to support human colonization. At first, Chandrayaan-3's findings excited scientists. The Vikram lander and Pragyan rover confirmed the presence of frozen water, an invaluable resource for future lunar missions and possibly even human settlements. Alongside the water, they identified minerals such as magnesium and silicon, which are essential for constructing lunar infrastructure. However, what began as a triumphant mission soon took a mysterious and unsettling turn. The first signs of something extraordinary emerged as the Pragyan rover, equipped with cutting-edge spectrometers, analyzed the lunar regolith, the fine, dusty layer covering the moon's surface. Initially, the terrain appeared barren and lifeless, as expected. But then, the rover detected trace amounts of a material unlike anything previously documented on the moon or anywhere in our solar system. This enigmatic substance exhibited properties that defied conventional physics. It seemed to absorb electromagnetic radiation in a way no known material could, acting almost like a sponge for energy. Michio Kaku described the finding as both groundbreaking and deeply disturbing. If the material is natural, it challenges our fundamental understanding of physics. If it is not natural, it raises an even more unsettling question. Who or what created it, and why is it there? The intrigue deepened with another startling revelation: irregular heat signatures emanating from beneath the lunar south pole. These emissions varied in ways that suggested responsiveness to external stimuli. Initial theories proposed subsurface magma as the source, but the moon has been geologically inactive for billions of years. This left scientists scrambling for alternative explanations, with some speculating about the possibility of extraterrestrial artifacts or structures beneath the surface. Conspiracy theories regarding alien activity on the moon are nothing new. For decades, rumors have swirled about the South Pole being a potential site for alien bases or observation posts. While such ideas have long been dismissed as fringe speculation, Kaku has now admitted that these findings force us to reconsider what we thought we knew about the moon, and perhaps our place in the universe. The most shocking discovery came weeks later when ISRO released preliminary data from a groundbreaking experiment conducted by the Pragyan rover using ground-penetrating radar. The rover detected a vast, hollow void beneath the surface of the South Pole. Even more astonishing were the geometric patterns found within the void, shapes and structures that could not have been formed by natural geological processes. These findings, still under review, have profound implications. If verified, they could reshape our understanding of the moon's history and its role in the broader cosmic narrative. Kaku's concern reflects the growing unease within the scientific community. Have we stumbled upon evidence of an ancient non-human intelligence? Or is there a natural explanation we have yet to uncover? Whatever the truth may be, Chandrayaan-3's discoveries have brought humanity to the brink of a new era of cosmic exploration, and a deeper confrontation with the unknown. Kaku reportedly panicked when he was shown the initial charts of these formations. According to the data, the structures appeared metallic and were arranged in a grid-like pattern, resembling the framework of a constructed facility. This was not a random scattering of rocks. It was organized, deliberate, and seemingly ancient. But here's where things get even stranger. The dimensions of the void suggested it was large enough to house a small city. This revelation has sparked a flurry of speculation. Could these be the remnants of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization? Or are we witnessing something even more unsettling? An artifact of human origin, perhaps from a forgotten chapter of Earth's history? These theories are not as far-fetched as they might seem. In recent years, scientists have begun to entertain the possibility that intelligent life could have existed on Earth millions of years ago, only to be wiped out by cataclysmic events. Could some of these ancient humans or their artifacts have made their way to the moon? Meanwhile, other scientists are focusing on the potential dangers of the discovery. If the structures are indeed extraterrestrial, there is a risk that disturbing them could trigger an unintended response. What if the heat signatures detected earlier are part of a still active system, one designed to react to intrusions? Kaku, known for his cautious optimism regarding humanity's ventures into space, has now warned that we must proceed with extreme caution. He has called for an international coalition of scientists and policymakers to examine the findings before any further missions are sent to the South Pole. Adding another layer of complexity is the unusual behavior of the Chandrayaan-3 rover itself. After conducting the initial scans of the underground void, Pragyan experienced what ASRO described as unexplained technical failures. The rover's instruments began transmitting distorted data, and its movements became erratic. While ASRO attributed these issues to mechanical failure, others are not so sure. Could the malfunctions have been triggered by an interaction with the mysterious material or the underground structures? Kaku has emphasized the importance of transparency in addressing these anomalies. While much of this remains speculative, it reflects a growing public awareness that something extraordinary, and potentially unsettling, is unfolding on the moon. Perhaps the most troubling realization is how little we still understand about the moon. Despite decades of exploration, numerous missions, and countless samples collected, the moon remains a world of mysteries. And with Chandrayaan-3's discoveries, those mysteries have only deepened. As Kaku put it, the more we learn, the less we seem to know. The question now is, what comes next? ASRO has announced plans for follow-up missions to the lunar South Pole, but these are years away. In the meantime, other nations are eyeing the region with renewed interest. NASA's Artemis program, for example, aims to establish a permanent lunar base near the South Pole within the next decade. Will these future missions uncover more of the moon's secrets? Or will they confirm our worst fears? Kaku's alarm is not just about the discoveries themselves, it's about their implications for humanity. If we are not alone in the universe, as these findings increasingly suggest, then everything changes. Our understanding of our place in the cosmos, our scientific priorities, and even our geopolitical strategies will need to be reconsidered. As Kaku warned, the moon may not be the barren wasteland we thought it was. And if that is true, we must start asking some very big questions. Questions we may not be ready to answer. As we await further updates from ISRO and other space agencies, one thing is clear. Chandrayaan-3 has shattered our perceptions of what is possible. Whether these revelations bring hope or fear remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. Our exploration of the moon has only just begun, and it is already reshaping our understanding of the universe. Envision materials that could deliver objects imperceptible, empower energy capacity at exceptional scales, or even work with the production of cutting-edge drive systems for spacecraft. Yet with such potential also comes risk. As Kaku has pointed out, understanding this material fully will require caution. Any abuse or error could have potentially negative side effects, especially if its origins remain unknown. The mathematical structures identified beneath the lunar surface are another matter entirely. Constructing facilities on the moon isn't as implausible as it might initially sound. Over the years, various whistleblowers and conspiracy theorists have claimed that the moon has been a site of extraterrestrial activity, with some even suggesting that humanity's first steps on the lunar surface were observed by alien entities. While such claims have often been dismissed as pseudoscience, the data from Chandrayaan-3 lends new weight to these speculations. If these structures are indeed artificial, they could represent one of the most significant archaeological discoveries in history. But their implications are vast. Who built them? When? And for what purpose? To grasp the scale of these questions, it's helpful to consider some of the theories that have been proposed. One possibility is that these structures were created by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization that used the moon as a base for observation or resource extraction. The moon's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal vantage point for monitoring our planet, and its lack of atmosphere ensures that any structures built there could remain preserved for millions, or even billions, of years. If this theory is correct, it raises the unsettling possibility that humanity has been under observation for much of its existence. But for what purpose? Are we part of some grand experiment, or merely a curiosity to beings far beyond our comprehension? Another theory is that the structures could be remnants of an ancient human civilization that achieved a level of technological sophistication far beyond what we currently understand. This idea aligns with speculation that intelligent life may have existed on Earth long before the rise of our current civilization. Catastrophic events, such as asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, or global climate shifts, may have wiped out these ancient societies, leaving behind little more than tantalizing traces. If these early humans managed to reach the moon, it would suggest that our species' potential for exploration and advancement is far greater than we've ever imagined. But there's also a darker possibility, one that has made Kaku and other scientists express caution. What if the structures are still active? The fluctuating heat signatures detected by Chandrayaan 3 suggest that something beneath the lunar surface is generating energy. If this energy is being produced intentionally, it could imply that the structures are part of a still-functioning system. And if that's the case, we must ask, what is the system's purpose? Is it a beacon sending messages into the universe? A trap designed to deter intruders? Or something entirely different? Something we cannot yet comprehend? Kaku has emphasized the importance of approaching these discoveries with humility and caution. As he has often said, the universe is not obligated to make sense to us. Our understanding of reality is shaped by the limitations of our knowledge, and when we encounter phenomena that defy explanation, we must expand our perspectives. This isn't the first time humanity has been confronted with the unknown, but it may be one of the most significant. The implications of these discoveries extend far beyond science. They touch on philosophy, religion, and even politics. If we are not alone in the universe, what does that mean for our understanding of humanity's place in existence? Many religious traditions teach that humanity is unique, created in the image of a divine being. The existence of other intelligent life, or evidence of their activities, could challenge these beliefs in profound ways. At the same time, such discoveries could inspire new forms of spirituality, rooted in a deeper connection with a vast and mysterious universe. Politically, these revelations raise questions about how humanity should respond. Should nations collaborate to investigate the moon's mysteries, pooling their resources and expertise for the benefit of all? Or will the moon become another arena for competition and conflict, as countries race to stake their claims and exploit its resources? The history of exploration on Earth offers both hope and caution. While exploration has often led to collaboration and the exchange of knowledge, it has also been marked by exploitation, conquest, and inequality. As we venture into the cosmos, we have an opportunity to choose a different path, but doing so will require foresight and wisdom. The public response to these discoveries has been a mix of awe, excitement, and fear. Social media platforms are abuzz with speculation as amateur sleuths pore over the data released by ISRO, attempting to decipher its implications. Some have compared the revelations to the opening chapters of a science fiction novel, while others see them as a wake-up call, reminding humanity of the vastness and unpredictability of the universe. For many, these discoveries have reignited a sense of wonder, an appreciation for the mysteries that lie beyond our planet, and a renewed recognition of the fragile beauty of life on Earth. Meanwhile, scientists worldwide are working tirelessly to analyze the data and develop new theories. The findings have already led to a surge in funding for lunar research, as governments and private organizations seek to capitalize on the momentum generated by Chandrayaan 3. New missions are being planned with a focus on exploring the Moon's south pole and investigating the structures and materials uncovered by ISRO. These missions will face significant challenges, from the technical difficulties of operating in a harsh and remote environment to the ethical dilemmas posed by disturbing potential relics of extraterrestrial origin. As humanity stands on the brink of a new era in space exploration, Michio Kaku's words serve as both a warning and an inspiration. The universe, he has said, is a vast and wondrous place, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. But as we venture into the unknown, we must do so with care, humility, and respect, for the universe, for each other, and for the truths we have yet to discover. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3 have challenged our understanding of the Moon, the cosmos, and our place within it. They have sparked new questions, new debates, and new dreams. And while the answers to those questions remain elusive, one thing is clear: the journey to unlock the secrets of the universe has only just begun. With each new mission and every new discovery, humanity takes another step forward in its quest to comprehend the cosmos. And while the path ahead may be uncertain, the possibilities are boundless. Chandrayaan 3 has shown us that the Moon is more than just a barren rock. It is a gateway to the unknown, a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit, and a challenge to our deepest assumptions about reality. As we continue to explore the Moon and beyond, let us do so with open minds, open hearts, and a profound sense of wonder for the mysteries that await.